Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Pallavi Shyamsunder, a playback singer, a voiceover artist, a model, a dentist, an anchor. These are some of the feathers that I adorn on my hat. But today, I am here to talk about the iLesa family. In the month of October, I had the opportunity to take part in the music competition which was conducted in the language of Tulu, which I was not aware of at all. I have never sung or spoken or had conversed in this language before, but it really intrigued me, and I happened to sing a song called Mannida Bhajana. And even though my entry was submitted much later than the due date, the iLesa family has been very supportive and sweet to accept my entry, and I finally won the special prize for the song. I really feel iLesa family is doing a great job in preserving the Tulu language, and I would request you all to support them by subscribing to their channel, which is on YouTube, and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you can get your frequent updates. Love you, iLesa.